Hi guys, so just a quick overview of the electronics upgrade from Arduino and Shield to a 32-bit Teensy 4.1 and 30-bit grblHAL software running on this little piece of hardware. Performs much better, smoother than the original Arduino. Some power supplies for it, 5 and 12 volts. The main motor power supplies with DM556T drivers. What I added today is some do-it-yourself control box for turning on and off the spindle and compressor, as well as some solenoid valves so far for the isopropyl alcohol mist for milling aluminum, and other one is waiting to be connected for the air supply to the misting hose. Previously all had to be done manually. Now everything can be controlled through the software. So a spindle, hope you can hear it click on the phone. Mist turns on the air supply, the compressor, and well, just the air. And flood clicks the solenoid valve, which supplies the coolant. So I need to add one more to stop the air, and perhaps one more control to turn on and off the vacuum, but I don't use it much, so no real need for that. Of course, all of this can be controlled through the G-code when doing actual milling. And if I need to, I can leave the CNC do its work and be sure it turns off everything after the job is done. Okay, thanks for watching, and happy milling everyone.